Ooh. First little tussle. It's Mark's Outcast. And not the band, okay? So we're in Morningside Park here in Toronto. It's actually pretty nice once you get back in here. I can smell someone having a campfire. Like, you know, you never thought you could do this stuff in T-Dot in the 6. There's a guy over there. He's practicing his golf to beat all his buddies. This is just one section. This is a pretty big park in here. That campfire smells great. I didn't even know this. They even have a turtle crossing warning in here and stuff. So we've only ever been over this way. This way. All along there, there's like a river that goes down, and there's like a soccer field and all kinds of fire pits and fire barbecues, charcoal barbecuing. It's pretty cool. See down in there? But they have like big fire pit areas. But in the summer, I guarantee you would have to come down here very early in the morning to snag one. All right, we're gonna continue on. Okay, so here we are down by the river. It's a nice, beautiful little spot. There's our trucks. He scratched his chassis. See, down in here, it's like a dirt track almost. And we usually bring our Savages down in here. They're fun to rip, but we're not gonna do that here. Why, Mark? We don't feel like having sand in the bearings, tell the truth. Isn't this beautiful in here? Nice big trees. See, we're not from Toronto, so anything about the outdoors that we can get our hands on is great. We're from a small country town of Port Perry. All right, we're gonna continue on.